In today's short analysis video, we will discuss on Alphabet stock. My dear friends, this stock has broken out from an important resistance level, and along with that there are multiple positive factors which has already been actioned, and that would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock. We can initiate a buy position before an upside rally gets started. My dear friends, if you make a closer look over here, this was on top where the stock has given the sideways correction, and as far as the stock was trading under this parallel channel, there was some back-to-back lower lows. If you make a closer look over here, you'll be able to see the first lower lows trigger here, the second lower lows over here, and the third lower lows here. But as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upper side, first time its lower lows shifted to higher highs, and this is an area where we got a confirmation that stock has completed the correction. Here we got a two major positive signal. The first one is downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upper side on closing basis, and second one is lower lows shifted to higher highs. And whenever the lower lows series get shifted to higher highs, we take that as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's ready for an upside move. And my dear friends, we will see the diversion over here. If you'll see the MACD or RSI, you'll be able to surprise to see that stock has given the positive diversion. Price action is tilting on the downside, but the same MACD oscillation is tilting on the upper end. If you see, the lower lows is shifting on the downside and MACD oscillation is flat, and this is an area where we got a breakout and it's going to pump the stock on the upper side. And finally, and the most important signal is the chart pattern. My dear friends, if you'll make a closer look over here, you'll be able to see there is an extending triangular chart pattern. We call this as an extending triangular chart pattern. It's an extending, its waves is getting extend, so we call it as an extending triangular chart pattern, which is already got trigger with a neckline of $293. $293 was a neckline, and now on the upper side very soon we will see the witness the first target of $310 and the second target of $315. So these are the two major targets on the upper side, my dear friends. And so far we have identified the four major positive signal. The first one is upper sloping parallel channel got trigger on the downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upper side, the lower lows shifted to higher highs, and the third one is positive diversion, and the fourth one is extending triangular chart pattern. So with due respect to all these positive breakouts, this area of the neckline will act as a strong support. So far it was in resistance, but now it has turned to an important support. This is it for today's analysis, my dear friends. If you really like my analysis, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.